So hello everyone, it's Deadlock. Finally, yeah, just got account destroyed now. Many are asking me how the scenario happened, what really happened, how your account got destroyed, and how you can prove that this guy destroyed your account. So I really wanna give answer to all those peoples and to those who are willingly can say who really wanna know what really happened. So I will just clear everything what really happened yesterday. So when around 7 p.m. according to Indian time. At that time, I just got a message in my group that my account is zeroed. I was surprised. How the hell? What the fuck? How my account can be zeroed? I just shielded it for 3 days. How it can be zeroed? Then I just logged in and then I just saw the scenario. It's all gone. It's all zeroed. Then I came to know that someone just ported my account on those coordinates and just opened the shield, and then the guy came and yeah, start burning me. That's the story. But what really happened behind the scene was that, just see here, guys, the guy who logged in my castle. I think here, yeah, he here. See, he just reset my all talent points from war mode to non-war mode, and he put my castle on this, yeah, here on load mode. So my stats are just nothing, no boost, no paragon, nothing. He just reset my paragon, my gears, my talent point, and he put this formation. See, guys, yeah, this one. Sword battle and with hold position. So and when my shield just opened, the very first hit was of Mayank only. um Now many are saying he's enemy, so he will hit definitely, but I still have some facts that I really wanna get cleared about. um how Mayank knows that I am unshielded in the no man's land, and he just hit me so instantly, even there was not even 1 second gap. Like my shield got cancelled and the next very hit was him only. And how he knows my formation? Even I was having my anti scout on, I was having my anti spy online. How he knows my formation, where my castle is, if he's not involved in all this scenario? How he know my castle is ported there? Now they will see that someone given my course in GC. Oh yeah. Or you are just sitting or watching the GC, that according to your plan someone gonna paste those coordinates in the GC and you all will go and zero me. This guys, this thing was just all pre-planned by them. So that's what all I can say. How he know a formation, how he know that I am sitting on this as well with this hold position tactic. And when he hit me, see, even his first berry attack, my shield just got cancelled, and his just first berry attack, he just not even, there's not even 1 second gap when he hit me. See, guys, here. See, first very short and a win. He don't, how he came to know my formation. See, he just prepared everything. First very short, pre-planned very short, and see, even he even enhanced his tactic. He knows, he definitely knows that someone gonna drop my shield and can just see his bonuses. He's on full war mode. Now he's just giving excuses that it was my blind shot. Who hit that much? Who hit with that much perfection with a blind shot? Because he knows everything, that someone gonna make my account unshield on no man's land, and then he gonna invite me, and then I just need to go there and need to just kill his army, and that's it, simple. That's how I can prove that Mank is also involved in this thing. But till yesterday it wasn't that much clear that Mayank is involved or not. And I was not even okay. I don't even know the guy name who destroyed, like who opened the shield of my account, who logged in. I don't know everything. Um but when morning, like in the morning, I just got a message from my one of my friend Devil that just check all the access to whom you are sharing access, then we can start questioning someone. Then we just came to that it's a kid who opened my shield cause Mayank and his team force him to do so. And why he does so? cause they just made his brain, they just washed his brain so nicely. They said for saving 250 players, it's good to kill one player. So open my shield and yeah, and the guy just zeroed me. So that's the whole scenario that really happened. And still, I still have questions. If I know, many wanna start comment hate about this thing that I am, giving wrong obligations. I am wrong. They are correct. I know it's mine account whose account got destroyed from 15 billion to 1.6 B in just seconds. There was not even a second gap. My just shield gone cancel and he just started hitting. Even I show you guys how perfect he was with his every shot. He know my every formation. How he know my every formation without even doing any fake shot. And how he knows where my account is ported really. So I know they wanna prove themselves correct that they are correct, they haven't did anything. But the truth is that only. Even the guy who opened the my castle shield yesterday night, he accepted by himself that they guys started forcing him to do so and they are just giving him threats. That's why he does so. And he's just a kid, he's just a 13 or 14-year-old kid who did that. Now I don't have any more explanation. It's done. It's been done, and it's been done by them only. So that's how when you can't win properly. So just start playing the game dirty, as they always does. That's how they play the game. When they can't defeat me, they started doing cheatings. Simple. I really don't want to say a lot about them. Everyone knows their reality. And please, guys, just stop giving hate to that little kid who does that. Cause he's just a kid. What more you can, expect from a kid? He's just a kid. He just got forced little. They guys just start giving him threat. On which account you are playing, we gonna kick you from that account. If you will open the shield, we will let you play. So they just got success, whatever they want, and it happened. They called him with the unknown number and start giving him threats. So he just opened my shield yesterday, and after zeroing, yeah, all gone. Now who gonna accept? Guys. After stealing something, who accept that I steal this thing? Tell me the one thing only. He also knows that he involved in this matter. He also knows. Everyone knows. That's why everyone just defending him on every point. They are defending him on every point. I even have the screenshot of that kid who opened my shield, cause he said him to do so. That's why he does that. He don't have any intention. He does that cause he wanna save himself only. They are giving him threats and yeah, they even wanna revoke his access on which account he is playing. That's so stupid act that is done by GOW and their leader for making me lose. And is that a real win? What you can achieve from this type of win? Anyone can win like this. If you are real legend, you are pro, you call yourself this, then play game in a fair manner. Why to do such cheatings and little stunts in game, giving threats to people for opening castle shields? That's so stupid, literally. And I know, they all gonna start commenting, barking that this. But everyone know the reality. Everyone knows the reality. What's the reality? Who destroyed it, and whose involvement is here, and whose involvement is not here. I even have those screenshot. Wait, let me show you. They are in my language. See, guys. Hmm. Here I have all those screenshot. See, the guy is just accepting everything what really happened, and who tell him to do so to open my shield. See, guys, even he's saying, they guys started saying to him this war happened because of deadlock, and He's the only guy. If he gets kicked out from the realm, or someone will buy his account, or he gets zeroed, then our all 250 players will be safe. So it's like that. For it's good to kill a one player for saving 250 lives. This is how they does. Nice brainwashing. Yeah, no difference between them and terrorists to brainwash kids. Literally, you guys are doing great. See, even this kid is just he's just begging to save himself from this matter. Literally, I really don't want to open his name, but yeah, whatever, never mind. I really don't care about this game anymore. But I never expect this type of stupid thing from my enemy, that they guys gonna destroy my account or these type of cheap stuffs in the game. So just that, it's my last video, sorry video, whatever. Enjoy, guys. Like it just feels so sad, like after spending your like $4,000 to $5,000 and you just came to this type of stupid end. It's so shitty. And I know there will be thousands of haters. Sorry, not thousands, there are only few haters only who gonna defend Mayank anyhow. They will defend him anyhow. Even they can remove their clothes for him. Yeah, they can go any limit, on any height. Even on yesterday, they guys are giving me abuses. What the fuck? Really, man? My account destroyed, and if I'm saying that my account got destroyed and I'm receiving those abuse back, oh man, really? You are just all just fucking whores. I don't care for you. Who the fuck are you? You guys are just so ill with your mentality that you just came to this end that you need to destroy my account for winning the realm. If you are winners, then play like a winner. Why you are afraid of me? That you are making my account getting destroyed? What the fuck? Really? Is that the game? I don't think so. It's a game. And just that, I really don't have much to say, and it's already been a long video. I really don't wanna like record that much. So yeah, thanks for your time, your support, and yeah, it's gone and it's been done. So that's what all I can prove, that there is Mayank involvement who does all this shit, and his whole team. I still say how they came to know my formation, how they came to know my coordinates, how they came to know like where my castle is teleported, and how they came to know that my shield will be dropped at this time only, how they came to know everything about me. Because if there is if there is no involvement, how they are not god, that they know everything. So it's better that you are bitches. And whatever, it's just shitty. Okay guys, that's enough for today. And just be happy and enjoy your life. That's what all I can say. So bye bye guys, have a good day.